Exercise 2.1, question 5. Find the perimeters of triangle. The first question in this triangle ABE, second one the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? So again we are going to find the perimeters of first one triangle ABE. Look at this figure. It's a compound figure because you can see triangle as well rectangle. So that's why first one we have to find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Triangle ABE. We have to find the perimeter of this. Then the second question, the rectangle BCDE. We have to find the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Then we have to compare the perimeter. Whose perimeter is greater? We have to compare the perimeter of triangle and rectangle. So first let's see the perimeter of triangle ABE. So perimeter of triangle ABE we are going to find. So perimeter means what? Sum of all sides, that is total length of a boundary. So here triangle we are going to add all the sides, that is called perimeter. Perimeter means boundary, that is we must add all the sides. So here we have this side length, that is 5 by 2 centimeter, and this side length also 2 and 3/4 centimeter, then this side 3 and 3/5 centimeter. So we have all the sides of a triangle. So by adding all these three sides we can find the perimeter of triangle ABE. Okay, let's see. That's what brought here. We are adding the sides. So now, as I said earlier, wherever you see the mixed number, see the first step is what? We are adding all the three sides, because perimeter means what? Sum of all sides. So first side, second side, third side. There are three sides in a triangle, so you are adding all the sides. 5 by 2 plus 2 and 3/4 plus 3 and 3/5. Okay. But before going to add, these two are in mixed number, mixed fraction. So let's change. Copy down the first fraction plus, how do you change the mixed number into improper? Copy down the same denominator 4. Then 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 by 4 plus, again mixed number we are changing into improper. Copy down the same denominator 5. Then 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18 by 5. Okay, so after changing this into improper, let's go to the step, that is we are going to add the fractions. So can you remember comparing fractions, ordering fraction, addition and subtraction of fractions? We have to see whether the given fractions are like or unlike fractions by seeing the denominators. So here the denominators are different, so they are unlike fractions. So the next step we have to find the LCM of the denominators. LCM of the denominators 2, 4, 5. So when you find the LCM, let's take the first prime number is what? 2. Can it be taken or not? Yes, because one of the number which is divisible by 2 is here. So let's take 2. In 2 how many times 2? 1 time. Comma, even 4 also divisible by 2. So let's divide. In 2 how many times 2? 1 time. In 4 how many times 2? 2 times. And 5 cannot be divided. 5 will not be divisible by 2. Sorry. So copy down this. Now see this row and 1, 2, 5. So this 1 you can leave the factor, and the remaining factors 2 and 5 both are prime numbers, and each prime number is appearing once only. So let's stop here. Then let's multiply. Let's find the product of the prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 5. 2 into 2 into 5 equal to 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So the LCM of the denominators 2, 4 and 5 is 20. So now directly we are writing the step, because till previous question we learned how to change the each fraction into like fraction. So now we can write shortly, that is directly we can go. The denominator 20 we are taking commonly. See the LCM denominator, no, LCM 20 we are taking as denominator. Then draw a long division bar. Now take the first fraction. Take the first fraction. What is the first fraction? 5 by 2. What is the first fraction? 5 by 2. So now the denominator is 20 only, because the LCM, after finding the LCM, that LCM will become the denominator. That is the common denominator. Now take the first fraction with 2, what to be multiplied to get 20. First fraction you take and the denominator is 2, with 2 what to be multiplied to get 20. It's very simple. With 2, that is 2 tens are 20. With the same factor 10, you multiply the numerator 5. Multiply the numerator 5. 5 tens are 50. See, that's what brought here. Then like that, now take the second fraction 11 by 4. Take the second fraction 11 by 4 and take the denominator 4. With 4, what to be multiplied to get the denominator 20? With 4, what to be multiplied to get 20? 5. 4 5s are 20. With the same factor 5, let's multiply the numerator 11. So 11 5s are 55. Then let's take the third fraction. What is the denominator? 5. With 5, what to be multiplied to get the denominator 20? Because after finding LCM, the 20 is the denominator. We are taking as a common denominator. Because each fraction you will be taking and the denominator, fresh denominator is what? 20 only. So with 5, what to be multiplied to get 24? With the same factor 4, multiply the numerator 18. 18 fours are 72. So now we received answer like this. So let's simplify the numerators. 50 plus 55 plus 72. 177 by 20 centimeter. What are we getting? 177 by 20. It is improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So it is improper means we will change into mixed form. That is, in 177, how many times 20? 8 times. 8 20s are 160. Okay, so 8 times and the remainder, 8 20s are 160, then remainder in 177 is 17. That is numerator and the same denominator, 8 and 17 20th centimeter. So the perimeter of triangle ABE is 8 and 17 20th centimeter. So let's see the next question is what? We have to find out the perimeter of rectangle BCDE. Perimeter of rectangle BCDE. So here we are going to apply the formula 2 into L plus B. 2 into length plus breadth. So length value, what is the length value? CD or BE, because opposite sides are equal in a rectangle. So CD in measure not there, but just look at this one, BE also length only. BE measure is how much? 2 and 3/4 centimeter, that is length. Then breadth is 7/6 centimeter. And as usual, here it is in mixed form. Let's change into improper. We get 11 by 4 centimeter. So length is 11/4 centimeter. Breadth is 7/6 centimeter. Let's substitute this length and breadth value into the formula. Perimeter of a rectangle. Ma'am, you may ask, ma'am, for triangle we didn't use any formula. Yes, at present you didn't learn any formula to find the perimeter of a triangle. That's why we added all the 3 sides. Even you can apply the same method here also for rectangle. You can add all the 4 sides. I mean this side 2 and 3/4 centimeter, because if B is 2 and 3/4, CD also same. I mean CD plus DE plus EB plus BC, like that all the four sides by adding also you will get the same answer only. For that only we are applying formula, we can get the answer soon, very easily. So 2 into length plus breadth. So 2 into length value 11/4, breadth value 7/6. Okay, 11/4 plus 7/6. So as usual, first we are going to simplify the bracket value. That is, we are going to add the fractions. When you are going to add the fractions, we have to see whether the given fractions are like or unlike by seeing the denominators. Here denominators are different. So let's find the LCM of 4 and 6. LCM of 4 and 6. Let's take 2, because the first prime number 2, it can be applicable here because both are even numbers. So in 4 how many times 2? 2 times. In 6 how many times 2? 3 times. Stop. Because now in this row we get only prime number, that is 2 and 3. So let's multiply the prime numbers. 2 into 2 into 3. 12. Answer is 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So the LCM is 12. LCM of 4 and 6 is 12. See? Then I am copying from the formula, because formula is what? Perimeter of rectangle 2 into L plus B. So 2 into, now we are simplifying the bracket value, no? We are adding the fraction. We found the LCM of 4 and 6, that is 12. Now the common, as a common denominator, you are taking 12. The LCM 12 you are taking as denominator. Then take the first fraction. Take the first fraction, and what is the denominator? 4. With 4, what to be multiplied to get 12? 3. With 4, what to be multiplied to get 12? 3. 4 3s are 12. With the same factor 3, you multiply the numerator. 11 3s are 33. Like that, you can take the next fraction. Here plus, so copy that plus here. Next fraction 7/6, and the denominator is 6. With 6, what to be multiplied to get 12? 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12. With the same factor 12, let's multiply the numerator 7. 7 2s are 14. So now 33 plus 40 by 12. So add the numerators. By adding the numerators, you are getting 47 by 12. That is 2 into 47 by 12. 2 into L plus B. So first we added the length and breadth value. We received 47 by 12. Now let's multiply with 2. So again, as usual, how do we multiply? 2 by 1. This 2 can be written as 2 by 1, and the numerator 2 and the denominator 12, let's take and let's divide by, both will be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 6 are 12. So now 47 by 6 we are getting. 47 by 6, again it is improper. So let's change into mixed form. Let's change into mixed form. When you change into mixed form, you get 7 and 5/6. That is, in 47, how many times? 6. 7 times. So 7 is a whole number. Then 7 6 are 42. In 47, the remainder 7 6 are 42. 47 minus 42, 5. That is the numerator. So same denominator you copy. So 7 and 5/6. So now the perimeter of rectangle BCD is 7 and 5/6. What is the question? We have to find the perimeter of the triangle ABE and the perimeter of rectangle BCD. Then which perimeter is greater? We have to compare the perimeters. And we changed both into mixed form. See, this is perimeter of triangle and this is perimeter of rectangle. Okay children, now when you are going to compare, it's very easily you can compare if it is given in mixed number, because whole number we are going to compare. Here 8 and here 7. First you compare the whole number. Here 8, the whole number is what? Here 8 and here 7. So which is greater? 8. So 8 and 17 20th centimeter is greater than 7 and 5/6 centimeter. So perimeter of triangle AB is greater than the rectangle BCDE.